The wait is finally over. The Nikon Z7 III has arrived, marking a pivotal moment for high-resolution mirrorless photography. For years, photographers have watched eagerly for the next step in Nikon's Z7 lineage, a line celebrated for precision, image quality, and reliability. With the release of the Z7 II in 2020, Nikon addressed early criticisms of its first-generation flagship, but as competitors like Sony, Canon, and Panasonic pushed forward with hybrid-focused innovations, questions began to arise about the Z7 series' relevance in a market increasingly dominated by multi-purpose cameras. The Nikon Z7 III is designed to answer those questions, reaffirming Nikon's commitment to photographers who prioritize image quality without compromise. The Z7 series has always been defined by its focus on still photography excellence. When the original Z7 debuted in 2018, Nikon was somewhat late to the full-frame mirrorless game. Yet despite this, the camera immediately set a high bar for resolution, dynamic range, and color fidelity. It became a favorite for landscape, studio, and commercial photographers, offering files with exceptional tonal accuracy and smooth gradation. While autofocus and workflow features required refinement, the Z7 established a clear identity. Nikon was serious about delivering an image-first mirrorless system. With the Z7 II, Nikon addressed many of the early limitations. Dual processors improved speed, buffer capacity, and image handling, while enhanced autofocus and ergonomics made the camera more reliable for professional use. The Z7 II remained a photography-centric device, resisting the growing industry trend toward hybrid or video-focused models. This made it a trusted choice for photographers who valued high-resolution performance over flashy, multifunctional features. However, in the years since, the camera landscape evolved rapidly. Sony's A7 RV pushed AI-driven autofocus and subject tracking into the spotlight, Canon's R5 series blended high-resolution stills with impressive video, and Panasonic's S series offered hybrid solutions for professional shooters. Even within Nikon, the Z8 and Z9 showcased cutting-edge autofocus, processing, and video capabilities, creating a context in which the Z7 series seemed increasingly static. The prolonged absence of a Z7 successor amplified these concerns. Discounts on older Z7 and Z7 II models fueled speculation about a new release, yet Nikon remained silent. Rumors circulated of potential rebranding or renaming, suggesting the company might abandon the numerical progression in favor of a new naming convention. These discussions underscored the pressure on Nikon. The Z7 III had to satisfy photographers' expectations for a high-resolution flagship while offering modern features that would keep it competitive in a hybrid-focused market. Complicating the camera's development was Nikon's recent focus on video and hybrid technologies, in part through collaboration with Red Digital Cinema. Advanced video pipelines, internal RAW formats, improved color science, and thermal management systems were all in progress, strengthening Nikon's hybrid offerings but potentially delaying still-centric models. For the Nikon Z7 III, the challenge was clear: it needed to uphold the high-resolution legacy of the Z7 series while introducing modern improvements to remain relevant among hybrid and video-capable cameras. The result is a camera that balances tradition with innovation. The Nikon Z7 III preserves the meticulous image quality and precision its predecessors were known for, while incorporating modern enhancements that meet professional photographers' needs in 2026. Dual processors provide rapid performance for continuous shooting and large buffer handling. Autofocus improvements offer more accurate tracking in varied conditions, from fast-action sports to low-light studio work. Thermal management refinements prevent overheating during long sessions, a problem that has historically limited sustained shooting in earlier models. Ergonomic upgrades, including a deeper grip and optimized button layout, ensure the camera remains comfortable during extended use. Beyond technical specifications, the Nikon Z7 III carries symbolic weight. In a market increasingly focused on hybrid cameras that blur the line between stills and video, the Z7 III sends a clear message: Nikon still values photography-first performance. It embodies the principles that have defined the Z7 series: clarity, precision, and reliability, reassuring photographers that image quality remains a priority. Unlike some hybrid cameras that compromise still image performance for versatility, the Z7 III demonstrates that modern enhancements do not need to come at the expense of high-resolution excellence. In practice, the Z7 III delivers a well-rounded performance package. The autofocus system, enhanced with updated algorithms, handles moving subjects and complex scenes more reliably than before. Image processing improvements allow for faster response and larger buffer capacity, while thermal management ensures that long shoots, whether in the studio or on location, remain uninterrupted. Ergonomic refinements improve grip and usability, making it easier for photographers to handle heavy lenses or work through extended sessions without fatigue. Every update reflects Nikon's careful attention to real-world professional requirements. Timing also played a strategic role in the launch. With competitors like Sony, Canon, and Panasonic constantly raising the bar in autofocus, hybrid functionality, and video capabilities, the Z7 III needed to arrive with meaningful improvements that would stand out. Nikon's Z8 and Z9 models had already demonstrated the company's technical potential at the top of the market, meaning the Z7 III could not rely solely on legacy appeal. It needed to deliver tangible benefits while remaining faithful to the Z7's core philosophy: superior image quality, reliability, and trust. In terms of hybrid functionality, the Z7 III offers enough video capability to satisfy modern creators without compromising its still image performance. This strategic approach addresses one of the key challenges facing high-resolution cameras in today's market: balancing video flexibility with uncompromised photography. By maintaining focus on image quality while enhancing video, Nikon ensures that the Z7 III appeals to hybrid professionals who require both without sacrificing either. The Nikon Z7 III also reinforces Nikon's identity as a company that prioritizes photographers. Its launch demonstrates that the company is aware of industry trends yet remains committed to image-first principles. While competitors have leaned heavily into hybrid or video-focused models, Nikon reminds its audience that high-resolution photography remains central to its mission. The Z7 III blends heritage with contemporary performance, giving photographers a camera that meets modern demands while staying true to the values that made the Z7 line respected worldwide. From a technical perspective, the Z7 III excels in several key areas. Autofocus improvements ensure accurate tracking even in challenging lighting or fast-moving scenarios. Dual processors enable rapid operation and high buffer capacities, essential for professional workflows. Enhanced thermal management allows photographers to shoot extended sessions without interruption, addressing a common limitation in earlier models. Ergonomic adjustments, including a deeper grip and better button placement, improve comfort and stability during prolonged use. Collectively, these enhancements make the Z7 III a camera that honors Nikon's legacy while embracing contemporary needs. The symbolic significance of the Z7 III cannot be overstated. In an era dominated by hybrid cameras, it reaffirms Nikon's dedication to high-resolution photography. By delivering a camera that balances image quality, reliability, and usability, the Z7 III reassures photographers that Nikon continues to prioritize their core needs. It is not simply a successor, it is a statement of intent, demonstrating that Nikon remains committed to excellence in still photography even as the market evolves. In conclusion, the Nikon Z7 III is far more than a simple update. It is a reaffirmation of Nikon's philosophy and a response to the evolving needs of professional photographers. By blending the meticulous image quality of previous Z7 models with contemporary enhancements, it ensures that Nikon remains a leader in high-resolution mirrorless photography. The Z7 III is a testament to precision, trust, and innovation, providing photographers with a camera that respects its heritage while embracing the future of imaging.